Alright, time to feed the viewers again. Oh, by the way, hello viewers. Another beautiful day. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good or excellent. Alright, what do I got for you guys? Speaking of which, what do I have? What do I have? What do I have? What do I have? Okay, here's the latest update. March 10th. Listen to this. Steam client update. It says here, a new Steam client has been released and will be automatically downloaded. It says general demos can now be installed and uninstalled remotely via your profile game list. When reconnecting to Steam, including when resuming from suspend, in-game notification will no longer appear for friends currently in a game. Fix the backup game file dialog sometime failing to complete. Fix an error on the download page when a free-to-play game is removed. Install fix Steam/web helper showing a querying the location date on Windows 11. The Steam client does not request tracking location. This was caused by Steam web helper querying information about wireless interface on the computer, which has been removed. Fix text on the laptop low battery notification and getting cut off in some language. Fix the refresh button server browser dialog needing to be scrolled into a view. Fix an issue where drop down menus would sometimes fail to appear. And then it says game notes. Notes are now available on the web. You can find them on the game list. Select the game option under your profile name, then find the new My Notes on my game content menu. They will be added to the Steam mobile app in the future. Add support for more clipboard formats when pasting inline image in the game notes. Fix drag and drop add content to game notes and move content around inside notes inside of the overlay. When overlay notes windows is resized, smaller size will now switch into the toggles that back and forth between showing the list of notes and showing the individual's notes. Fix the link hover for some formats. Then it says remote play. Fix streaming video in Monster Hunter Wilds. Game recording. Fix recording video in Monster Hunter Wilds. Fix video and screenshot copied to clipboard not pasting correctly in some programs library. Fix an issue with attempting to visit the full game storage page being directed to the demo storage page. Instead, fix missing default app icon in game list for apps that don't have icon sets. Big picture mode. Fix an error when receiving a voice chat invite. Add a link to game notes to the Your Stuff section so they can be viewed outside the overlay. Fix fix cases where notes are very long would break the layout of the game note editor. Fix the bugs where sometimes text input would not work from the keyboard after closing and then reopening the overlay. Improve the animation when opening the virtual keyboard on the game note page and in the overlay. And then it says fix mouse input not working when editing game notes in the overlay. Fix some crashes where input could lock up on the virtual keyboard. Fix an issue where backing out of an app detail page to the library tab would focus the wrong app. Improve display of notification for improve the display of notification for in-progress achievement. I'm so used to seeing in-game progress. Anyway, what else I got here? Sitting here messing around here. It says here Steam input. It says add support to allow mode shift to be activated using multiple buttons. Fix an issue where foreground colors did not apply correctly to our menus. Fix L3 R3 buttons not working and fight sticks or other devices and don't have left right stick analog access. Add support for Zuki Macecon controller for Nintendo Switch. Fix a case where controllers will be in the guide button cord config after disconnecting with the button held. fix a case where the virtual key menu in the configurator would stop delaying on other settings after changing a binding, fix some issues when using a gyro to modes with controllers with high gyroscope polling rates, fix Steam controller receiving random haptic events when playing No Man's Sky, fix an error on virtual menu settings when bound to gyro, fix an issue on Linux where controllers could get stuck in some other than in slot other than the first one. Its multiple controllers were connected and the primarily one disconnected. Fix an issue with trackpads on Monument when the frame limiter is enabled in GameScope. Fix issues with touch menus created instead virtual menu page not accepting mode shift button in the menu multi button. see if I messed up here. Okay, where was I at? Versus fix. Where was I at before I was rudely interrupted again? Okay, let's see. Where was I at? Where was I at? Oh, here we go. Okay, something about. Oh, here we go. I'll start right here. Fix an issue when the gyro mode with controller with high gyroscope polling rates. Fix Steam controller receiving random haptic events playing No Man's Sky. Fix an error on the virtual menu settings when bound to gyro. Fix an issue on Linux where controller could get stuck in a slot other than the first one if multiple controllers were connected and the primary one disconnected. Fix an issue with trackpad momentum when the frame limiter is enabled in gyroscope. Fix an issue with touch menus created inside virtual menu page not accepting mode shift button in the new multi-button mode shift interface. Add support for 8-bit dual micro gamepad. Fix opening one Joy-Con of pair when the other disconnected on Windows. Fix opt-in detection of wired Nintendo Switch Pro controller on Mac OS. Fix ability to delete an action added to a button after it was used to activate a mode shift. Fix deleting a virtual menu if it was generated with the virtual menu subpage as opposed to being created from a source drop-down menu. Enable auto gyro polling rate detection for weird controllers. Fix a rear crash in configuration on command binding, and then where it says fix process shader status window failing to show during game launch, and this is Linux. Fix using the touchscreen to type into the virtual keyboard on the overlay game notes page in GameScope. Fix a rare Steam Play issue that caused compatibility manager to incorrectly attempt to use default Proton tools, and then it says configure via run other titles with against other Proton tools. Fix application shortcuts for Steam runtime. Shout, soldier, etc. Binding creates an install time for games that requires those runtime, and then for Mac, fix intermittent Steam client crash when closing update new dialog. Yeah, that was a big list. Now there's one on gaming on Linux here. I wonder if it's the same. So yeah, Valve, they're on it, man. When it comes to these updates, man, they're not playing around. They just roll in. You know, they just roll in. So like I've always, let's see. Yep, that was the one. Yep, that's the same one. So it's the same. So I'll leave both links in the description box. So yeah, a new Steam update, man, and it's for a whole bunch of from like Mac, Linux, the Steam Deck, yeah, whole bunch of updates for laptop and desktop, whole bunch of updates. So this should hold you for now. It took me about 9 minutes. to get through all that. So yeah, I went through everything, so I didn't miss anything. So yeah, let me see the difference between this and this. Let's see here. Yep, I did everything. So that should hold you for now. So you guys are good. News, deals, games, updates, the usual. You guys are good, man. So Valve got you covered, man, with all these updates that's rolling out, and games are marching in, DLCs and expansion marching in, but they're keeping up with the times, man. So yeah, that 2 terabytes of storage is really important to the Steam Deck. They're really important because when those updates are marching in, you know, they need somewhere to be stored. So I would use that 2 terabytes of storage for like the Steam OS update, Steam Beta Clients update, the Protons, Creo utility, your Chai Kai 4 deck, and whatever apps you're using. That's what I would use it for. But when it comes to games, now you put that on a micro SD card, 512 gigabyte, 1 terabyte, 1.52, and even there's a 4 terabyte that's supposed to be coming this year. So yeah, and of course if you got the docking station with external SSD support, you can use that to store your games too. So yeah, man, updates are like this, rolling in. Yeah, so I had to keep you guys in the loop, man, on what's going on. So yeah, that should hold you for now, and see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars and Star Trek Flying for Dark Side. Go. Peace.